right, you guys, we're gonna get straight into it. Welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm gonna show you how to make some crispy fried chicken wings. Of course, you want to wash your wings. Well, I wash my wings. You don't have to wash yours. And you want to I washed it with lemon juice this time around because that's what I had. And these are the ingredients I'm going to use to season the chicken. Of course, use what you have in your house. I'm definitely using what I have in my house. I usually have a lot more, but y'all already know the tea. I don't have to keep going over the same thing every single video. So to my wings, I'm going to add some hot sauce, some mustard, some garlic salt, some all-purpose seasoning or chicken seasoning, and get into it. We're going to get into the zhuzh, okay? I haven't fried chicken in God only knows how long, child. I kind of felt a little rusty making the chicken wings today because I'm like, wait a minute. When's the last time I made some crispy chicken or some crispy chicken wings? And I felt like cooking today. You know, I've been really busy. Again, we don't have to go over that again. But I was able to cook today, and I was excited about that. So then I'm going to add my buttermilk, and I'm going to mix this up. I never usually drown the chicken in buttermilk. I never do, if you see my previous videos, because I feel like that defeats the purpose of the spices that you put on here. So I just put enough to coat the wings, and that's how I do it. But you can do it however you want. After that, I mixed everything up. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so make sure you guys check that out, as well as how you can support this channel. All right, so once I get everything nice and mixed in, you see how this look? If it don't look like this, start over or put some more. If it's super, super pale, you know you need some more, okay? So now we're going to make the flour batter. I'm going to be using flour, all-purpose flour, and cornstarch. The cornstarch is for just added crunch and to keep your batter nice and tight on your wings, in my opinion, and that's why I do it. Of course, I've made fried chicken without the cornstarch. It's, you know, I mean, it's fried chicken, but I prefer it with the cornstarch, and I always do 2 to 1. So if I'm doing 4 cups of flour, it's 2 cups of cornstarch. In this case, it was 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of cornstarch. So, you know, you break it up. To this, I'm going to add the same spices into the flour mixture as I did in the beginning of the video, except for, of course, the buttermilk and the hot sauce. You guys get the point. So it's the onion, the garlic salt, the granulated garlic, the paprika, lots and lots of black pepper because that's how I like it. And then I'm going to mix it up, and we're going to get to frying this chicken, honey. Okay. All right, so once that's mixed up, I add my chicken wings down in here. I usually even coat my wings before I heat the oil because you want the flour to adhere to the wings. So I usually do it 10 to 15 minutes, you know, before putting it in the oil or until the oil is hot. And then I fry the chicken. So I'm going to cover this up and shake it halfway to death, you know, period. Because who got time to be babying each and every piece of wing? I don't have no time. Literally, I'm on borrowed time right now. Speaking of time. So now I'm going to add my chicken wings to the deep fryer or the fryer. And if y'all got the fancy stuff or the bigger stuff, y'all already know you can add all your wings down in there. But I have a little small, little cute one. I've had this one for so many years too, as a matter of fact. It was $30-something off of Amazon, and it's still kicking. So anyway, I add my wings down in here, and you want to be gentle. Don't just plop it down in there. You got to gently put it down in there so you don't splash the oil, so your batter won't stick to the cage, to the basket. Not the cage, child. Where my mind at? But anyway, and then you want to gently put it down, and then you just let it go and let it fry up. Now, these wings are room temperature. Make sure you never cook or fry cold chicken. Please don't do that, okay? So I'm probably going to cook this about 6 to 7 minutes per side or until the internal temperature is 165. These are how amazing, perfect, beautiful, golden, crispy wings are supposed to look, okay? This is how they look, period. So y'all better make these wings or some fried chicken for your family. I don't know why I'm being so extra today. I guess it's because I'm excited that I'm able to even drop or record or even edit a video to get it up. But this is how they look. They're nice and crispy, delicious, flavorful, and pretty much I served it up with some red beans and rice. If you want that recipe, let me know. I'll either link it or I'll repost the one that I made today. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye!